So inside of fantasy, we talked about characters. Characters are who the story is about. You can also tell what the character does and why they do it. So think about a story you know, any story. You can tell me who it's about. Who are the people, the animals in those stories? Well, once you know who it is, what are they doing? Maybe it's one of my favorite characters, Piggy and Gerald. What are they doing in the story? Usually they're being silly and making lots of noises. Sometimes Piggy is teaching Gerald to dress up like a pig. That's what they're doing. And then why are they doing it? So, why is Gerald dressing like a pig? Well, it's Pig's Day, of course. That's why he's dressing up like a pig. So, characters answer the questions who, what, and why.